first. Heads is the call from Varun. It is heads. Varun, you won the toss. What's your call? You're playing the first match of your camp. Oh, that is Apish. This time, no mistake done. The first man falls for Team Ria Travels. Over to the DJ. Oh, 2 wickets down in this very over. This sort of gets FCM right back in the match. The match on, the game on. Oh, that's a loose delivery, smacked away. Gets the treatment that it deserved. That is a much required boundary there. Oh, that is nicely played, and one more boundary, consecutive boundaries there to Ria Travels. That will really propel them. As I mentioned earlier, now this man holds the key for Ria Travels, and if we can get going and if we can steer the wicket till the 5th over, Ria Travels. Hat-trick of boundaries. Mohit is on a song here. All of a sudden, this match has once again. Oh, that's a good connection. We'll have to wait and watch. There is protection in the deep and nicely taken. No mistake done. They lose one more wicket there. Team Ria Travels. Just what the doctor ordered for FCM. बहुत ही बढ़िया टाइमिंग, ऊंची गई है, लंबी नहीं गए, वहां पर मिस कर गए, ना केवल मिस कर गए उस कैच को, लेकिन 4 महत्वपूर्ण रन्स भी रिया ट्रैवल्स के खाते में। नहीं एफसीएम के लिए 41 रन पर ये रन संख्या जा पहुंची है। The score at the end of 5 overs is 49, so 50 runs. Oh, what a good change in pace delivery, foxing the opening batsman. That is a soft dismissal on his way back to the pavilion. That is the big fish in the net. They've drawn first blood. No, 9. That's a rank bad ball. A delivery that should have gone out of the park. Gets a boundary anyways. A very poor piece of fielding. There was only 1 run in it. 3 extra runs given away. With that boundary, the score on to 12. Oh, misjudgment. Oh, misjudgment. Oh, but run out without even facing a single delivery. The man is on his way back to the pavilion. DJ. बहुत ही बढ़िया कैच, टीम के सबसे अनुभवी खिलाड़ी, उन्होंने बहुत ही शानदार कैच लिया, अच्छी तरह से जज किया। इतना आसान कैच नहीं था दोस्तों, लेकिन जिस तरह से जज करके बड़ी आसानी से कैच लिया, बढ़िया, बहुत ही बढ़िया। डीजे 30 for 3. Oh, that should have been stopped. That should have been stopped by Anuj. This could be run out. It is 31 for the loss of 4 wickets. 34. 35 to be chased down will be a good job done by Madison. Yes, and may I request Ria Travels to be ready to set the field. The second half of the first match will get underway. Oh, that is a good way to end the proceedings, a boundary to end the innings. With that boundary, MX GBT have put up 39 runs that they put on the board. The second half, Ria Travels versus FCM getting started. मोहन ने कोई गलती नहीं की, सीधा मोहन के हाथों में और प्रकाश को पेविलियन चलता किया है। डीजे The dreaded finger goes up. With that, they've eliminated one of the biggest threats in the form of Varun. And at the moment, Team Ria Travels are all over FCM. आसान सा कैच, कॉट एंड बोल्ट मोहित। अब मालूम यह है कि 5 गेंदों में पूरी तरह से इस लक्ष्य को तय कर जाना होगा। 5 में 22। और एक कैच छूटता हुआ, फिर से एक बार तीसरा रन ले लिया और शायद चौथा रन भी लेंगे। चौथे रन के लिए दौड़ पड़े स्ट्राइकर, 4 रन दे दिए हैं। तीन गेंदों में 15 रन बनाने, 3 गेंदों में 15 रन, टाई करने के लिए 14, जीतने के लिए 15, 3 गेंदों में। और एक चौका। चलिए, एक रोमांचक मोड़ पर यह मैच आज थमा हुआ। अब 2 गेंदों में 11 रन बनाने, एक छक्के और एक चौके के साथ टाई हो सकता है। 2 छक्के के साथ इस मैच को जीत सकते हैं। The catch has been taken, is it? Yes, that's an important wicket and it's all over now. The final ball and they need 11 to win. The writing on the wall, but yes, well done team FCM to get the match to this, the man of the match award. अच्छी टाइमिंग, गेंद की पेस का फायदा उठाते हुए केवल दिशा दी और 4 शानदार रन्स अपने टीम के लिए प्राप्त किए। और यही मैं कह रहा हूं कि सजाई गई फील्ड के अनुसार आपको गेंदबाजी करनी है। डीजे फिर से एक बार चेंज इन पेस, विकेट हासिल होती हुई, पहले विकेट का पतन होता हुआ ओवर की समाप्ति। और आने वाले अब 3 ओवर्स में 24 रन्स बनाने हैं, 24 रन्स बनाने हैं आने वाले। और सुपर शॉट, that's a boundary. Now this boundary will tilt the scales in favor of the batting team. More to the DJ. Oh, now this could be Harakiri, and yes, they have lost a wicket, but not before having taken a single. So 7 balls and 9 runs to win the match. 7 balls, 9 to win. Now if this is a dot ball, or even if the bowler concedes just 1 run, we will still have a very exciting last over. Always clean ball, self out. What a start, DJ. Drop the catch and it's dropped the match as well. Not only just dropping the catch, but dropping the match as well. Oh yes, definitely in the driver's seat now. That is the team Mother. Oh, that is a good hit, good timing. Up she goes, over she goes for a humongous 6. That's an extraordinary shot. Over to the DJ. बढ़िया टाइमिंग और उतनी अच्छी फील्डिंग, लेकिन दुर्भाग्यवश हाथ को लग कर गेंद बाउंड्री लाइन के बाद 4 महत्वपूर्ण रन्स यहां पर एमएक्स जीबीटी अपना खुद का मुकद्दर सुनिश्चित करती हुई। डीजे लिए है, कहां थे ये बल्लेबाज, कहां था ये रवैया। 6 रन्स मिले, 6 शानदार रन्स, 27 रन्स बन चुके। 9 गेंदों में 27 रन्स बना लिए एमएक्स जीबीटी ने। मानो पूरी तरह से एक अलग एमएक्स जीबीटी की टीम यहां पर बल्लेबाजी करने के लिए उतरी है, प्रहार करती हुई, विस्फोटक अंदाज में खेलती हुई। और एक जबरदस्त शॉट लगाते हुए अपने आप के लिए और एक छक्का स्थापित कर लिया है। 33 रन बन चुके 9 गेंदों में। देखते ही देखते मैच का पासा पलटता हुआ दीजिए। इस तरह का ये नजारा अपने औजार को धार देते हुए, अपने बल्ले को धार देते हुए आक्रमण बोल दिया है और एक छक्का। इस तरह की विस्फोटक बल्लेबाजी अब तक इस पूरे टूर्नामेंट में देखने को नहीं मिले। क्या बात है डीजे। इस टूर्नामेंट की सबसे शानदार इनिंग्स और एक हम अंपायर के निर्णय की प्रतीक्षा करते हुए और एक 6 रन 46 रन बन गए और 54 रन बन चुके टीम के लिए। 54 रनों में से 46 रन केवल लोकेंद्र के। लोकेंद्र ने 11 गेंदों में 46 रन बनाए हैं। सभी लोकेंद्र पाल की बल्लेबाजी का लुत्फ उठाते हुए और एक छक्का। 50 रन से बन चुके लोकेंद्र पाल के और छक्कों की श्रृंखला यहां पर पेश कर दी है। हो टू द डीजे। और एक चौका मिलता हुआ 68 रन बना दिए 3 ओवर की समाप्ति पे। The score at the end of 3 overs is a handsome 68 runs. This is an unbelievable batting. It's like a tsunami striking FCM. That's the kind of scene that is on display. One more boundary. It's raining boundaries and sixes here. Oh, well, that's it. The score is on to 83. Oh, my word, 83. Even our DJ is tired of playing the music. On strike. मेरे ख्याल में तीसरे रन के लिए दौड़ पड़ेंगे। अगर चौका नहीं मिलता है तो 4 रन मिलते हैं। चलिए 4 रन मिलते हैं। रन संख्या 91 रनों पर जा पहुंची है डीजे। आसमान में छेद नहीं हो सकता। चलिए back in the pavilion, but after having played one of the best innings of his career, 92 for 1, it is 3 balls to go. 3 गेंद अभी भी शेष है। अब केवल दिलचस्पी इसी बात को लेकर है कि MX से GBT क्या 100 रन तय कर जाएगी। बस से केवल यही दिलचस्पी का पहलू अभी तक जीवित है। 3 गेंद आनी शेष है। क्या जबरदस्त पारी के लिए 2 to go। चलिए अच्छी गेंद और एक विकेट और अब आखिरी गेंद बाकी। अब 100 रन बनाने हैं तो छक्का लगाना होगा। 94 रन बन चुके और अब इस इनिंग्स की आखिरी गेंद आनी बाकी है। अगला Travels to please come to the ground to set the field. The first half of the last league match getting underway. That is way up and over into the stands for a blazing Emirates sixer. Just what the doctor ordered for Motherson. Not to the DJ. और यूची का ये मौका बना है और आसानी से लपक लिया डीजे. देखा कि उस पर बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण चौका जिसके चलते रन संख्या तीसरे ओवर में थोड़ी सी तेज रफ्तार से बढ़कर अब 30 रनों तक जा पहुंची है. उस चौके के साथ बड़ी राहत की सांस ली है मदरसन एयर ट्रैवल एजेंसी. He gets out, a well judged catch. They lose one more wicket. Let's straight to the man at the edge of the circle in that extra cover area. 37. Oh, he's been given a run out, so no addition to the score. The score remains steady on 36. The final 5 balls to come. A good start to the last over. They need to keep things under control. They need to keep things quiet. On the other hand, they have to be on attacking mode. The last 5 balls, ideally, they want something in the region of. That's in the air. Nicely taken. The set target for Ria Travels in this match is 42 runs to win the match. 42 runs to win the match as they come back to chase down. Clean bowled. The writing is on the wall. Even statistically, no ways under the sun that the batting team can get to the target. We're just going to the motions now. They have notched up a massive win. There's no doubt about it. MXGBT. Such a good catch. DJ. Oh, the ball goes past the man in that third man area and it's a boundary where there should have been only 1 run, 3 extra runs gifted away, and this boundary could really turn out to be the turning point. 3 important runs conceded. Defending a smallish target, that should have been stopped. Nicely taken, straight down his throat, no mistake there, no to the DJ. और खतरनाक बल्लेबाज मोहन सिंह को पेविलियन चलता किया है, बड़ी मछली जाल में फंसी। और अब आलम यह है कि 17 गेंदों में इस मैच को जीतने के लिए 26 रन बनाने होंगे और हरफन मौला खिलाड़ी मोहन सिंह पेविलियन। सीधा फील्डर के हाथों में, कोई गलती नहीं की, अंडर प्रेशर अच्छी गेंद और उतना ही अच्छा कैच। अब 5 गेंदों में 11 रन बनाने होंगे, थोड़ा सा और मोमेंटम प्राप्त करते हुए मदसन ट्रैवल एजेंसीज। मामला उलझता हुआ ये मैच अगर टाई होता है तो एमएक्स से जीबीटी के लिए मामला बिल्कुल पलट सकता है। अगर मैच टाई होता है दोस्तों तो एमएक्स से जीबीटी के लिए भी वहां पर बड़ा प्रॉब्लम खड़ा हो सकता है। कितना दिलचस्प मोड़ है ये, 2 में 2, 2 में 2, दोनों टीम्स ने अपना पहला मैच जीता हुआ है। अगर ये मैच that is a tremendous just what the doctor ordered for the batting team. That is humongous. That's a monster hit. The ball goes sailing outside the fence to take the score to 34, 3.5. The distance as well, the second 6 in this over. The scales have tilted back in favor of the Motherson Air Travel Agencies. Will this day belong to the Motherson Air Travel? That's a boundary. Exactly what they wanted. 44 now, 3 balls to. What a fine over this man is bowling, the last one under pressure. It's really a tragedy that I'll request in every quarterfinal match and the semis to make sure that we have one extra player. Oh, what a catch by that same man. Super catch, man. It's a superhuman effort. DJ. Mohammad. थोड़ा सा दिशा से भटके फलस्वरूप गेंद डीप फाइन लेग की दिशा में 4 रनों के उस पार, बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण 4 रन, रन संख्या डबल डिजिट्स में जाते हुए 10 रन 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर। ऐसा कभी भी नहीं हो सकता कि इतनी अच्छी तरह से जज करने के बाद मोहम्मद यूनुस कभी कैच को छोड़ सकता है, और एक विकेट ले ली है वहां पर। 2 विकेट से गिरे, 2 टॉप ऑर्डर बल्लेबाज पेविलियन का रुख कर चुके, एक अच्छी स्थिति में नजर आते हुए इस वक्त अकबर ट्रैवल्स। हालांकि काफी क्रिकेट खेलना अभी भी शेष है इस क्वार्टर फाइनल मैच में। नए बल्लेबाज और हिज कीपिंग द बैट्समैन गेसिंग, चेंज इन पेस, अपने रफ्तार से बल्लेबाज को गिरफ्तार किया। दैट वाज द लेग कटर taking the top edge straight down the throat of Balbir. What a wonderful piece of bowling there by Balbir. DJ. Crashing into the fence, just what the doctor ordered, a very important Emirates boundary to take the score to 18. Over to the DJ. And that is well timed, and that goes past the man in that cover region. They played with so much of authority, that was smacked away for a brilliant Emirates boundary. They wanted that boundary desperately, they get it. Now can they continue in? और एक चौका, चल एक अच्छे लक्ष्य की तरफ बड़ी तेज रफ्तार से बढ़ती हुई एमएमटी बिल्कुल सही वक्त पर अब एक्सेलरेट करती हुई, दे आर नियरिंग देयर पिक। जबरदस्त शॉट, ऊंची भी गई, लंबी गई, करारा जवाब दिया। छोटी सी गेंद पर जवाबी कार्रवाई के रूप में शानदार छक्का। 6 रनों के साथ रन संख्या तेज रफ्तार से बढ़कर अब 37 रनों पर 5 गेंदाने बाकी, वो 48-50 रन। Oh, they've gone for the second run. We'll have to wait and watch. They cannot make it. 1 run added. The score now moves on to 40. The danger man gone. 2 balls to go. In this kind of a situation, they had to go for it. DJ. Oh my word, 44. They have got a fighting total on the board. One last ball to come. Can Team MMT finish off the innings with a flourish? This such a good catch. 45 runs to win the match. That is the target for Team Travels. MMT chose to bat first. That was indeed the right call. Never mind what the result of the match is. And now to win them, they need to score 45 runs. That's the target for Team Akbar Travels. DJ. काफी ऊंची गई है ये गेंद और ये जबरदस्त छक्का, फ्रंट फुट पर लॉफ्टेड शॉट खेलते हुए करारा छक्का लगा दिया है नीरज शर्मा ने। रन संख्या 8 रनों पर इसी बड़े शॉट की फिराक में थे। बहुत ही ऊंची और लंबी गई और एक जबरदस्त छक्का निकलता हुआ राहुल के बल्ले से। चलिए, पहले विकेट का पतन होता हुआ इसी विकेट की खोज में थे और वो विकेट प्राप्त हुई। पंकज जोशी ने आसान सा कैच लिया, इसी विकेट की जरूरत थी, वो विकेट मिली है। क्या और एक करारा छक्का उस शानदार एमिरेट्स छक्के के साथ रन संख्या गोली की रफ्तार से बढ़कर अब 25 रनों पर जा पहुंची है। दूसरे ओवर की 2 गेंद अभी भी बाकी और एक बड़ा शॉट और एक कैच ले लिया है। बहुत ही खतरनाक रूप धारण कर रहे थे बल्लेबाज। शानदार कैच अमित ने लिया है। क्या इस कैच के चलते वापसी होगी, वो देखने लायक होगा। डीजे छह रन मिले हैं। अब यह मामला बहुत ही ज्यादा पेचीदा होता हुआ, उलझता हुआ एयर ट्रैवल एजेंसीज चार रन मिले। अब यह मामला और भी ज्यादा उलझता हुआ, जीत के कगार पर बड़ी तेज रफ्तार से पहुंचती हुई ब्राइटसन इस वक्त तहस नहस बिल्कुल अग्निपथ पर चलती हुई इस वक्त मदरसन अग्निपथ पर। दूसरी तरफ विजय पथ पर सवार हो चुके हैं ब्राइटसन और एक करारा छक्का। अब केवल औपचारिकता बाकी। अब इस पहले क्वार्टर फाइनल मैच में एक ही तरह का नतीजा हो सकता है और वो नतीजा एक बड़ी चलिए गगनचुंबी शॉट और बहुत ही बड़ा विजय यहां पर हासिल किया। बड़ी उड़ान भरी है, नया आयाम स्थापित करते हुए ब्राइटसन ने अपनी जगह बना ली है इस एमिरेट्स ट्रैवल एजेंट्स क्रिकेट टूर्नामेंट के सेमीफाइनल में। अभिनंदन के पात्र बन चुकी है ब्राइटसन। बहुत ही करारी जीत, तेज तर्रार जीत। मैन ऑफ द मैच का समय हो चुका है। Oh, that is rank bad delivery, but that is straight down the throat of the man in that mid-wicket area. Just what the doctor ordered for MMT, the star batsman on his way back to the pavilion. Straight down the throat of the man in the deep, but this is not the start that they wanted. Just look at the dejected batsman on his way back to the pavilion. On the other hand, and और उस लाइफ का फायदा नहीं उठा पाए। फिर से एक बार वो संघर्ष विक्रांत के लिए बरकरार। This tournament is not going Vikrant's way. One of the star players in the tournament happens once in a while. अब देखना है कि विक्रांत की अनुपस्थिति में अब अकबर ट्रैवल्स किस तरह से आगे की तरफ बढ़ती है, जीत की तरफ बढ़ती है। डीजे Oh, what a shot. No chances at all. That had a 6 written all over it in bold letters. That 6 will really be a big sigh of relief. गुलामी की बेड़ियों को तोड़ते हुए करारा छक्का लगाए। 15 रन बन चुके हैं। क्या बात है। Oh, he gets caught behind. The big fish gone. The big fish in the net. What a super delivery there. This is pure magic to see the back of Mohammad Yunus. The match is turning from one team to the other. The fortunes are swaying from one team to the other. He cannot believe it. He cannot believe it. 15 for 3 it is. 2.1 overs. 15 for 3. स्ट्राइक पर अली खान, बहुत ही खराब शॉट था ये। अली खान पेविलियन में वापस आते हुए अब 11 गेंदों में 24 रन बनाने हैं। 11 गेंदों में टेंशन इन द एयर, प्रेशर अब 4 रन को रोकने का सवाल ही नहीं है। जैसे ही गेंद को टाइम किया, चौका लिखा हुआ था। फिर से एक बार उम्मीद की किरण जागरूक होती हुई, आशा आकांक्षा की महक लहराती हुई जामिया मिलिया इस्लामिया मैदान पर। क्या और एक कैच ले लिया। MMTS won the quarterfinals and they have gone one up. ओ गगनचुंबी शॉट बहुत ही ज्यादा ऊपर गई है और ये बढ़िया कैच। डेंजर मैन Popley back in the pavilion. This is the big fish in the net. What a start here for Ria Travels. बढ़िया शॉट, चलिए करारा जवाब दिया है और ये 6 रन मिले। और सुपर टाइमिंग, हाफ वॉली गेंद को करारा जवाब दिया है। बहुत ही शानदार छक्का। A soft dismiss. एक रन लेते तो भी चलता। Oh, you cannot bowl to him in that area, and that is a super catch. What a catch there. Superbly taken. गुड कंट्रोल और थोड़ा सा पैर भी बाउंड्री लाइन से हल्का सा ऊपर रखा, बिल्कुल नियंत्रण में थे। डीजे oh, what a fantastic pickup shot over the head of the man in the team. That's a blazing 6. गति में परिवर्तन किया, थोड़ा सा हाफ वॉली गेंद को ड्राइव किया वाइडिश मिडॉन के क्षेत्र में। बहुत ही शानदार रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट्स और तीसरे रन लेने की फिराक में और ये रन आउट होने की संभावना। थ्रो गलत एंड पे, फिर से एक बार मौका बना है, मिस कर गए, उस मौके को मिस किया। That is out. What a good review. What a good review. Oh, what a good looking shot. That goes outside the boundary rope. और रन आउट है। चलिए और एक गेंद बाकी है। क्या हुआ? को इस मैच को जीतने के लिए 49 रन बनाने होंगे, तो वो 45-50 के इर्द गिर्द वो रन संख्या। बहुत ही शानदार शॉट और ये कैच हो सकता है। बढ़िया तरीके से उस कैच को लिया है। ढोल बजाइए भाई। हवाई यात्रा पर गेंद निकले, गगनचुंबी शॉट, देखना है क्या होगा। मिस करके वहां पर 4 रन से मिले, महत्वपूर्ण चौका कार्लसन के पक्ष में, जिसके चलते रन संख्या जा पहुंचती है बड़ी तेज रफ्तार से 20 रनों पर 20 रन। Straightforward chance, a soft dismissal for the left-handed batsman, Dol Nagare. Straight into the belly of the man in that wideish mid-off area, taken nicely. They lose one more wicket at the score of 29. It is Carlson need to do something extraordinary out there. Can they get to that 46-47 run mark? The first 3 quarterfinals have produced Dhol. Oh, that is such a big lofted shot. That goes over the boundary ropes. It's time for the DJ. Five overs 40. Oh, it has gone in the air. We'll have to wait and watch, and a dropped opportunity. So they're looking for the third run and they cannot. It could be a catch. Nicely taken. शॉट पे डिलीवरी और इस मर्तबा कोई भी गलती नहीं की, विकेट का पतन.
Hello. Working, right? I'm sales manager.
Yes, I have. So the first wicket is down there. I have with me Mr. Jamshed, the sales manager from Emirates Delhi. He's been one of the key links. Oh, that is a good catch under pressure. 7 for 2. That's a humongous. Oh, high and handsome. It has traveled the height and the distance. One more 6. Oh, what a well executed reverse shot. Super timing. Super. Oh, that has gone a long way. Has it gone the distance? Yes. One more 6 of the blade of Sat. अच्छी पोजीशन में आकर बहुत ही बड़े शॉट उन्हें पता था कि किस तरह की फील्ड सजाई है. Oh, that is the second wicket on the trot. That is easy stuff. That is a breathtaking shot. That's a no ball as well. With that 6, the score now on to 12. 2 runs for that no ball, a 6, so we add 8 runs. Oh, good elevation. Does it go past the man in that position? Yes, it does. Super timing. Just look at the spot on placement as well. What a terrific shot. He throws his bat, throws his hands. Just look at the follow through, a fantastic boundary. He breaks the shackles. Oh, nicely taken. Good balance, under control. Oh, what a stunning catch. He's picked up an absolute beauty there. Unbelievable stuff. That is pure magic. He literally plucked that catch out of thin air. Nobody would have thought that he would in fact take that catch, but just look at the timing of his jump. Oh, there should have been only a couple of runs added. Score moves on to 47. Oh, गेटवे में से गए वो गेंद, 4 रन्स मिले, करारा शॉट. और ये उनका पैट शॉट है, शानदार कनेक्शन, बहुत ही लंबी गई वो गेंद, करारा. Oh, making full usage of the pace generated, not able to time his jump properly. That is a blazing 6. Oh, that is one more classic shot. At the moment, there is no stopping this man. He is on a carnage. क्लीन बोल्ट. बड़ी मछली जाल में फंसी है. On his way back, Rohit, without troubling the scorers. He was never going to be dropping those, never going to be dropping those. कितनी नजाकत से खेला देखिए इनका गेम इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट पावर सारांश ने ना ही कहा था पहले ही ना कहा था तो भागने का किधर So this is what happens. He was frustrated. Oh, what a big wicket. Oh, अच्छी एफर्ट लगाए थे लेकिन 4 रन से मिले पहले गेंद पर अंडर प्रेशर गेंदबाज 43 रन और अच्छे रन मैच का पासा पलटता हुआ और एक विस्फोटक शॉट शानदार एमिरेट्स छक्का क्लीन बॉल यही गेंद तो करनी थी लेकिन डैमेज कर गए कुलदीप पूरी तरह से यहां पर एमएक्स टीएलएस को डीजे $59 runs to win, 59 to win. चार रन मिले बढ़िया शॉट शॉफर्ड Oh, जबरदस्त टाइमिंग, जस्ट लुक एट द एलिवेशन, बहुत ही तेज तर्रार छक्का, क्या बात है, बढ़िया बात। गगनचुंबी शॉट, ऊंची गई है, लंबी नहीं गई है। ओह, क्या शानदार कैच, क्या शानदार कैच।
Knock like this, make it pop, 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 pop like this, make it knock, knock, knock.
Oh, is it the final nail in the coffin? Yeah. Oh, he was never going to be dropping. He is one of the safest fielders. Oh, and the block hole, he picks his man. To make it to the grand finale of the Delhi edition of Thank you. Even before the umpire could raise his finger, he was already on his way. And they get that prize discount. Oh, बढ़िया शॉट, तेज तर्रार शॉट, और ये 4 रन से मिलेंगे। Oh, what a catch, what a super catch by Saransh. That's a good shot in the gap, and it's got the elevation as well. That will go past the boundary line for a boundary. Oh, terrific shot. We'll have to wait and watch. Straight into belly. This is somebody who can put the ball out of the park consistently. 6. We'll wait. Balls.
डीजे को समझा दो म्यूजिक गलती से भी रुक ना जाए दगा दगा जो फील करे
Go. Oh yes, what a grand entry for a wonderful grand finale. Oh, that is such a good shot. He gets a desired elevation and up and over she goes over the head of the man in that whitish mid-on area for an Emirates boundary. A good start to the first over. DJ. A good effort, but that will go in vain. A couple easily collected. Oh, this man can be a sprinter. We'll have to wait and watch. This is a harakiri. This is an absolute suicide. There was no need for him to go for that third run. They've already put in a boundary in this over, and that was always going to be a tough call, even for that sprinting man, somebody as fast as Arjun, and they lose that important wicket. That's a good elevation. The fielder looking to come underneath it. What a catch! What a catch from him! It's picked up and go into the outfield. Super catch. That will have to be the Kodak moment. Oh, that's an uppercut. That's a soft dismissal. Nicely taken. One more man bites the dust. That's a super shot. That is a super shot. Just look at the way he got stuck into it. Got the desired elevation for a Grand Emirates sixer. What a shot. What a terrific shot. Terrific shot. One bounce over the The change in pace, but that was too obvious a change in pace to put the batsman in any kind of a bother. Saransh was never going to be missing out on that run-out opportunity. Oh, that is a super shot. Such a good-looking inside-out shot. One of the best inside-out shots for a wonderful boundary to take the score to 44. 5 to go. Well on course to posting something in the region of 50 plus. They are on course. They get to 50. We have a match on. Oh, super shot. No stopping, Surjit. Each and every run you can weigh in gold. This is indeed a 24-carat gold knock from Surjit. He's on to 32 on this big stage. He came onto the wicket when the team was in a dicey situation, and look at what he's done to. Oh, he looks to end the match with a flourish. 58 runs is what they put on the board. This is humongous. What a shot. That's a monster hit. 58, 1 ball to go. He's playing with so much of panache. Oh, goodness me, he's got some extraordinary plans. Super batting, and yes, now that the momentum to pitch to prolific run getters for the team. This is once again an opportunity for Sudhir also to prove his Chaliye. That is the end of Saransh, the big fish in the Oh, he misses it. That was a straightforward regulation collection, and they get a boundary. Easy stuff, easy stuff. गगन चुंबी शॉट, आसान सा कैच और एक विकेट का पतन होता हुआ. A massive victory awaits Make My Trip. far as Make My Trip is concerned. That's a 6. Can I have both the finalist teams in front of the stage requesting Make My Trip and Is My Trip and everybody else to please come in front of the stage. It's going to be the prize distribution function and we're going to capture all the moments perfectly. Hopefully we give it a perfect touch. Yes, a cheery good evening and a warm welcome to the presentation ceremony. It's been a fantastic 2 days of a cricket carnival organized by the Emirates. This is the daily edition of the Emirates Travel Agents Cricket Tournament managed and executed by Zooter. So yes, once again a warm welcome. Straight away we get into the presentation ceremony. We get started with the man of the match for the grand finale. To do the honors, may I invite Mr. Tarun Sharma to please come up on stage. Can we have a warm round of applause for a regional manager, North and East India, Mr. Tarun Sharma. Goes without saying for that extraordinary innings, that miraculous innings that really took everybody by storm, that shell-shocked Is My Trip. That is Surjit Singh for his innings of 44 runs. 44 extraordinary runs. Before he comes in, collects the trophy, we'll try and have a word with him. Surjit, congratulations. You reserved your best for that biggest moment, the final. What was going in your mind? Because जब आप बैटिंग करने के लिए गए इतनी सकारात्मक स्थिति नहीं थी. You turned the table on.
ऐसा कुछ प्लान नहीं किया था, बस ये कि टीम ने सपोर्ट किया सुबह से, क्योंकि मेरे 2-3 मैच तो बहुत खराब गए थे, तो वही था कि बस अभी लास्ट मैच था तो अपना बेस्ट करना था, तो आई थिंक वो हो गया.
Yes, this man, when it mattered the most, he put his hand up and really took everybody by storm. Congratulations. It's time for him to collect the Player of the Match award, the trophy at the hands of Mr. Tarun Sharma. A gift hamper, a trophy and that Player of the Match voucher. Can we all give it up for Surjit Singh? Yes, it's yeah, one more individual snap. पूरे टीम का भार उठाया और ये भी सब उठाना है. Well played, well played. Now yes, it's time for the next award. Next award in line is the Best Bowlers Award. To give away the prize, may I invite Namrata Madam and Mr. Sanjay and Mr. Akash to please step up to be a part of the presentation party. Namrata Madam, Sanjay Bhai and Akash Bhai to be a part of the presentation party. The best bowler of the tournament. Now we're getting into the tournament prizes. The Best Bowlers Award goes to a bowler from Make My Trip, that is Rahul Sharma. He's taken 6 wickets in the tournament, Rahul. Yes, Rahul. Yeah, you can shake hands and then we have a small chat. Rahul, aaiye. Rahul, the best bowler of the tournament. This is the big stage. You will remember this award for a very long time. And the fact that your bowling effort made your team lift the trophy, that is a superb effort.
यस थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द अवार्ड यही कहना चाहूँगा कि आज जो हम एमएमटी से जो खेल रहे थे वो हमारी फुल फ्लैश टीम नहीं थी बट यस हमें बेस्ट देना था और जो टीम आज जो खड़ी हुई है उन्होंने अपना सबने अपना बेस्ट दिया एक इंडिविजुअल परफॉर्मेंस नहीं था तो यस वी आर द चैंपियन
क्या बात है, very nicely said. This is the start of the season, time to collect the trophy. The best bowler of the tournament, that is Rahul Sharma from Make My Trip. He picked up 6 wickets on this journey. The next award is the best Batsman's Award. And may I request Mr. Zahan, Mr. Ashish and Moina to please come up. Can we have a warm round of applause for this presentation party? Mr. Zahan, Ashish and Moina. The best batsman of the tournament goes to Surjit Singh from Make My Trip. 90 runs is made. We already have had a chat. सुरजीत, आपने कहा कि 2-3 मैच अच्छा नहीं किया, उसके बावजूद बेस्ट बैट्समैन का प्राइज आपको मिलता है.
अभी यही बोलूंगा थैंक यू और मुझे कुछ वर्ड्स अभी मिल नहीं रहे क्या बोलना चाहिए. थैंक यू सो मच.
Yes, it's time for him to collect the trophy. The best batsman of the tournament, that is Surjit Singh. And yes, now for the most glamorous award of the 2-day cricket festival, that is the man of the series, the champion of champions. To do the honors, may I request Mr. Shadab and Mr. to please come up. Can we have a round of applause for these two gentlemen? The man of the series, it had to be a player from Make My Trip. Any guesses? No, that is Arjun Singh. 61 runs and 3 wickets. Can we have a round of applause for Arjun Singh? Arjun Singh, yes, we all know that you are a naturally gifted player. You want to be in the scheme of things at all times. Nobody can keep you out of action. You are a thorough, you bowled well. Each and every match, that brilliant over, you batted well sometimes, and you were brilliant in the field. The man of the series, that is a very, very coveted trophy. You must be a happy man, over the moon.
मतलब उससे ज़्यादा हैप्पी तो मैं ये हूँ कि टीम हमारी मेक माई ट्रिप जीता है. So cheer up, guys!
Yes, he is falling short of words. Congratulations. You had a terrific journey. Congrats. It's time for us to hand over the man of the series award. Yes, the best batsman and bowler एक individual click के लिए आगे आई है. Best batsman and bowler वो रह गया. Please come in. Yes, best batsman Surjit. We need this individual snap. Yeah, thank you. And then the best bowler also. You need to be ready, Rahul. This is for souvenir. Thank you. And yes, now it's time for us to hand over the team trophies. We get started with the runners-up trophy. To do the honors, may I request our sales manager, North India, Mr. Jamshed, the reporter, to please step up. The runners-up trophy, obviously, it goes to Is My Trip. May I request the captain to please first come. Yes, you played Is My Trip. Your sheer presence was a terrific one, and the kind of cricket that you've exhibited that enabled your team to make it to the grand finale. Terrific performance, but unfortunately could not deliver the death blow. But you must be a proud man that your team has turned up to be the runners-up team.
So I've just joined a couple of months, and I'm super proud of the team. We played as a unit. Everyone was given their role, and everyone just did their 120%, I would say. And cheers to the team and to the Make My Trip, and thanks to the Emirates team and the sports staff. The tournament was super special for us, and we'll make sure that every time we'll come up here and give our 100%.
आप जाओ
Once again, Mr. Reporter and Mr. Sharma, can we get that shield along? Yes. This is a wonderful rotating trophy. That's a shield with the name engraved. So this is also a very important shield that you take along. And now, the whole team comes along. The whole team. Now this one is for our records, it's a very important snap.
Yes. Thank you.
So yes, partying the whole night. Yes, and now to do the honors of jointly handing over the Champions Trophy, may I once again request Mr. Alok Sharma and Mr. Jamshedji to please come on stage. Amidst a big round of applause, we invite the winning team captain to please come up and have a word with me.
आपको फोटो दीजिए भाई को भाई की वीडियो में
Congratulations, UNS Kurez coming, losing this whole team, gel together, bonded together. It's been a terrific journey. What's going on in your mind? How proud you are to be?
Well, I think our every time you know there's some kind there is a low and they come together, they take the whole team together and then turn around to many times. I'm very proud of that. Cheers to that.
Very confident the moment you came that you want to be in the
yes, I'm very comfortable last year. We have a very not special preparation. That's the basic key for him, and just to keep it try to understand plus keep it calm and
you are a sneaky technology and you are the main reason this whole team gel together, bonded together. It's been a terrific journey. What's going on in your mind? How proud you are to be?
Well, I think our every time there's some kind there is a low and they come together, they take the whole team together and then turn around to many times. I'm very proud of that. Cheers to that.
Very confident the moment you came that you want to be in the
yes, I'm very comfortable last year.
Yes, sir.
आप जाओ
Mr. Sharma Can we get a still around? Yes. This is a wonderful rotating trophy. That's the shield of the name engraved.
Goya, please. Smile.
अच्छा लेके वो ये चैंपियन का बोर्ड वो दे अर्जुन
वीडियो बन रही है वीडियो बना रहे हैं थैंक यू गुड नाइट गॉड ब्लेस टेक केयर वो उठा लो हरीशन